Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to select preferred seats on Porter Airlines. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to select preferred seats on Porter Airlines using their web application. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.flyporter.com. Then, once you sign in, on the home page, hover over to Manage Flights option in the top menu, which we have in here. Okay, so go ahead and click on Manage Flights. And here you have My Bookings, Flight Status, and Web Check-in. Now go ahead and click on My Bookings. And you're going to see it's going to take you to this window where you can now see all of your bookings. You can see your upcoming bookings, past bookings, and canceled bookings. So I do not have a booking here. That's why this box is here telling me to book a flight. But if you do have bookings, you're definitely going to find the list of your bookings here. So you're going to see an option that says you should enter your booking reference. All right, so and the last name of the passenger. That's what you're going to see. If you have bookings, you're going to see a box that will allow you to enter your booking reference and the last name of the passenger. Then once you enter your booking reference and the last name of the passenger, go ahead and click on Find Your Booking to view the flight details. So once you click on Find Your Booking, it's going to take you inside the booking. Once inside your booking, look for the seat selection option. It is typically available in the flight details section. Now click on Choose Seats or a similar button to open the seats map. The seats map will show the layout of the airplane, indicating available seats, often color-coded for different seat types. For example, standard, premium, and preferred. So click on any available seat to select it. Preferred or extra legroom seats might incur an additional fee. Now, after selecting your seat, click Confirm or Continue, depending on your interface, to save your selection. If you have selected a seat that requires an additional fee, for example, the preferred seat, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details to complete the purchase. Review the seat selection charges and click Confirm Payment to finalize. After confirming your payment, if applicable, then you will see a confirmation page with your updated flight details, including your selected seat number. You will also receive an updated email confirmation with your preferred seat details. And that's it. Your preferred seat is now selected for your Porter Airlines flight. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.